So guys, we're back on the little creek. It is the 3rd of October and there's plenty of terrestrials left. So keep fishing those dries. Hopefully we'll get on some dries. Oh, there he goes. But just wanted to share that with you guys. Don't give up on dries yet, or terrestrials I should say. You don't want that much. You only want to put just a little bit. Just rub between your fingers like this and just dress the hackle. Let's get down to the river. I tried to enter a little ways back and there was a big old cliff I almost stepped off of. The joy of Tenkara, guys. Simplistically, first cast. Oh, there's a follower. Oh. I've had 3 fish rise, 1 try to eat, 2 rejections. So it might be a little early, so I decided to switch to this little, it's a jig, Sakasa Kabari that I tied. It's yellow with peacock curls, got a little red hot spot, and then it's got a partridge hackle, size 16. I want to get down at that foam. I think we'll be able to move something. That felt awesome. Found a vintage nut. My son collects vintage industrial stuff, so I'll take that and give it to him. Okay, so I switched back to this little micro hippie stomper. New location, new spot. We'll see if we can get fish to rise first. If not, then I'll nymph it. All right. Whoa! Did you guys see that? Yeah. Oh, dude. Sorry, man. I don't want to drag you across the rocks. Nice little brownie. Look at he ate that little hippie stomper. I'm telling you guys, this fly is hot. Let him breathe for a second. And he's off. Oh, there's one. Come on. He's looking at it. Come on, I know you want to. I came out from under that rock. The thing that Tenkara has helped me is it's helped me to slow down and just really pick the water apart. My DIY tripod right here. Look, I just cleated up my boots. We got our fly back. Man, I like these cleats. They're really grippy. Okay guys, so I just switched this little blowtorch variant Size 16. It's got a 3.0 or a 3.2 tungsten bead. So we can get down on some of these deeper holes. Euro nymphing. Fixed line. Now we're getting down to the bottom of that hole. Ooh, good fish. I'm not even gonna net him. Look at that, right in the mouth. Can always count on the blowtorch. We got lots of overhang here, so I'm gonna have to do either some side casts or some bow and arrow casts. Or you gotta do a side cast like that and keep it low. Oh, had another hit. All right, another one. Oh, he just spooked a few fish. These little guys are so fun on the Tenkara. Oh, he's taking off again. Come here, little guy. This is a 7.3 power rod, and it's just a cheap rod, but it works. Oh, that's a brown. Yeah. Boy, he's pretty. Look at the grays. I carry a little towel. Let me show you guys. This little towel right here. Just got it clipped back here, and I hang it under that little tactical pack. But it, I can't tell you how nice it is just to have a towel to dry your hands and stuff, especially during the winter. Okay, we switched back again. Bird almost hit my line. Oh, I just saw a big fish rise up there. Another makeshift tripod, so you guys can get a different angle here. Can't believe we didn't stick one in here. Oh, that's a fish right there. Oh, that is a good drift. Alright, let's take a look at the fly. Oh man, no wonder. Check your flies, guys. I probably missed. And it's a washangle on it. A wanglafong ahootus. Oh, that was awesome. You see that rise? It was my failure because I set before I felt the fish instead of... Oh, another, there we go. Oh man, I had him again. I think that was a different fish. The dry fly fishing is very visual, so it's so easy to set on a fish when you see it, but you gotta wait until you feel it. You gotta feel that fish before you set. Don't set till you feel it. It's hard, but Well, you can see with the results if you don't. And dry my fly. So I'll show you my little setup here. I've got the dry shake and then the gink. Drop your fly in there. Give it a little shake. And pop your fly out. Try not to get tangled like I did. My line's all wanglified. Under the bridge, that looks good. Wet my hands. Ready. Yes, thank you, Lord. That was actually kind of difficult because I kept hitting. I was hitting the bridge and the trees, and I should have lost that fish. Oh man, I had a fish. I hit it right when I looked away. This is cool. This bridge. Missed it right when he hit the water. Oh yes, came back. Oh yes, good fish. Yes, thank you, Lord. This is the fish of the day. Nice brownie. This one's deserving of the net. All right, dude. Just let him go. I got about maybe I don't know, a couple miles hike back to the truck, and it's dark. That is a big beaver. One of the reasons why I always take time to just sit and watch. You never know what you're gonna see. So I appreciate you guys watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this little Tenkara session. Now we'll see you guys on the next episode. We out of here. Fish too late. Have to hike out in the dark with the snakes and the bears and the cougars, tigers, lions, and hey, that's weird. Look how those leaves are just piled up there. It's really odd.